Unusual business ideas for IT outsourcing can be pretty much exciting and might have some untapped potential, or at the very least, hope you'll be amused. So here are some of the unique IT outsourcing business ideas that you might consider to start if you're an aspiring IT entrepreneur or soon to be one. And the first unique business idea you might be considering is ethical hacking and penetration testing services. And you might be providing ethical hacking and penetration testing services to your clients to reveal potential vulnerabilities in their security systems. As a result, you will improve their cybersecurity measures, and as always, safety first. And if you agree, smash the like button, and welcome to step into this noble role of revealing weak spots in your clients' defense systems. Make sense? Good. The second unusual IT outsourcing business idea is virtual reality therapy solutions. And you can be focusing and being an expert in developing such solutions for mental health and rehabilitation process, quite in demand right now, and provide outsourcing services to healthcare institutions. And let me tell you, I've personally seen a boom in developing these applications and solutions, virtual reality-based therapeutic solutions, and it seems like more and more people need help with their mental state. And I would say that this is a promising niche to fill in and a noble mission to start with. So if you are inspired with this idea, I will be happy to give you a shout out throughout all of my social media platforms. This third unique IT outsourcing business idea you might be considering is AI-driven personalized learning platforms. You can create AI-powered educational platforms that personalize learning experience based on individual preferences of the student, catering to various educational institutions. Not only that, not only you can specialize in developing smart AI-driven solutions, but actually online education becomes more and more trendy, and it's not like even trend only, because there are reasons behind that trend, and those are such recent events as pandemic, wars, changed lifestyles like digital nomads, and some digital nomads tend to have kids whom they take with them throughout different countries, and they can't take their tutors with them unless those tutors are on some online platform that you might be developing. So online learning platforms and online education and AI educational solutions become not a nice to have options for posh people who have nothing better to do, but for regular people on national level. Recent example, war in my country of Ukraine, where the entire nation had to go online in the course of days. If you decide to start a business specializing in creating such AI-driven online learning solutions, I'd be happy to give you a shout out throughout all of my social platforms as well. The fourth unique IT outsourcing business idea is smart city infrastructure integration. If you are into Internet of Things and AI technologies, you can offer your services to urban planning firms for integrating AI and IoT solutions to build smart and sustainable urban environments. I don't have any personal experience here, I've never had such projects, so I have no personal insights on the direction. If you do, you're my hero, let me know in the comments. The fifth unique IT outsourcing business idea is data privacy compliance consulting. Here you can assist companies in ensuring compliance with data privacy regulations and implementing robust data protection measures. This is especially important if you want to work with clients from the USA, Western Europe, Canada, because these countries are really keen on keeping their data private, and there are a lot of regulations to comply with. The sixth unique IT outsourcing business idea is predictive maintenance solutions for industrial equipment. Here you can develop AI-based predictive maintenance system for industrial equipment to help businesses reduce downtime and optimize maintenance schedules. This is a tricky one and would require a lot of specific skills from you and your team. Not only the knowledge of high tech, but also the knowledge of actual hardware and the industry and the equipment. So it's pretty much tricky, but less competition here and higher rates. The seventh unique IT outsourcing business idea is artificial intelligence for wildlife conservation. Consider collaborating with environmental organizations and researchers to develop AI tools that aid in wildlife monitoring, habitat preservation, and such. If this is something that interests you, a perfect chance to combine AI technologies with passion for environment. The 8th unique IT outsourcing business idea is creating emotional AI chatbots. You can specialize in creating emotional chatbots that are capable of emphasizing with users and providing emotional support. You can offer these outsourcing services to clients seeking for unique customer engagement. This one correlates with the business idea number 2, but in short, you just make it more specific and narrow down your expertise even more. The 9th IT outsourcing business idea, which is kinda unique and still nobody took it, is 3D printing on demand. And it's not really outsourcing, but a pure IT service company where you can set up an outsourced 3D printing service to cater to clients who are looking to prototype or manufacture their products without the need to set up the entire in-house equipment. And my thought is, once you set it up, the demand is right there. But first decide on the major clientele you want to start with, your ideal customer profile. Otherwise, it might be huge investments for nothing. And the 10th unique IT outsourcing business idea that is on the lookout for superheroes like yourself is voice user interface development for niche applications. This includes developing VUI solutions tailored to specific industries or markets, like maritime navigation, aviation, or remote field work. This one is a pretty specific stuff with people keen on natural language processing, voice processing, deep learning, and such. You will need to have some knowledge as to the hardware. Just make sure you have really good specialists in this area, or you're a really good specialist yourself, because the responsibility here is pretty huge. And if the project might lead to bad consequences once performed badly, give it your 200%. But of course, use your common sense and remember that unique IT outsourcing business ideas come with unique challenges. So proper market research, identifying your ICP, ideal customer profile, target clients, their needs, their pain is crucial here, even more crucial than in regular IT outsourcing businesses. Personally, I think at least several of these business ideas truly worth this risk, and I would have loved to start with some of those if only I had resources. And if you enjoyed these ideas but lack expertise or lack knowledge or lack resources, you might want to check out some of the regular IT outsourcing business ideas. Check them out here. We talked about them a couple of weeks before. See you there. Stay tuned. Bye bye.